He cheated on me with a soft-spoken, well-behaved girl, and the reason he gave still echoes in my head. He said I was too much, that I was addicted to sex, that I was intense, needy, and overwhelming in ways he couldn't handle anymore. Hearing those words felt like being stripped of my dignity, as if everything I was could be reduced to a flaw. When we were together, he never complained. He became my passion, my openness, the way I loved deeply and without hesitation. He enjoyed how expressive I was, how I didn't hide my desires or to pretend to be someone I wasn't. I thought that honesty was a strength. I thought being real meant being accepted. But somewhere along the way, he started pulling back. I noticed in the way his replies slowed, in how affection felt forced instead of natural. I blamed myself quietly, wondering if I needed to tone myself down, soften my edges, become easier to love. Then I found out about her. Gentle, reserved, calm, the kind of girl society praises for being good. He said she made him feel peaceful. He said I made him feel consumed. What hurt the most wasn't just the cheating, it was the comparison, the way he framed her softness as purity, and my passion as a problem, as if my desire meant I lacked value, depth, or self-control, as if loving with intensity made me unworthy of loyalty. I spent nights questioning myself, wondering if something was wrong with me. But slowly, clarity came. I wasn't addicted to sex. I was expressive, affectionate, and honest about what I wanted. And he wasn't looking for a partner. He was looking for someone easier to manage. He didn't cheat because I was too much. He cheated because he couldn't meet me where I stood. And one day, I'll find someone who doesn't fear my death. Someone who chooses me fully without asking me to shrink.